Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by requesting options approval inside Webull. Pick the correct trading level for your strategy. Once done, make sure your account is funded. Transfers can take days, so use existing cash if you need speed. You will also enable margin or other features if your chosen level requires them. Have ID and tax info at hand, because verification sometimes pauses approval. Do this now, and wait for the approval notification before placing any option orders. You next choose the underlying ticker and open the options chain, scan expirations, and strike prices to match your thesis. Compare implied volatility, delta, theta, and volume so you understand risk and timing. Once you decide, buy a call, buy a put, or build a spread, enter the order with a limit price, quantity, and duration such as day or GTC, preview the estimated cost and buying power impact. Confirm the trade, then monitor fills and order status in your order tab. You now manage the open position. Watch P&L, Greeks, and the expiration calendar. Set price and volatility alerts so you don't miss critical moves. When exiting, use limit or stop orders or roll expirations by creating a new offsetting order. Be mindful of assignment risk on short contracts. If the order fails to fill, tighten or widen your limit relative to the bid/ask, try a different duration, or contact Webull support. These steps usually resolve execution or permissions hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.